Hey YouTubers, my name is Skilla and this is the Skilla Entertainment. Now, Christopher Martin, right? I never thought I would live to see an entertainer running away from a woman. And I must admit, this is not an ordinary woman. This is a superwoman. The kind of woman that can lift 150 pounds with ease. So yeah, I kinda get why you're trying to run, but still, this is as funny as hell. Alright, so from Skilla to you people, you all I should say, please give this a good check out. Observe. All you can hear Christopher is saying, "Are you she want, you know, you she want?" And my virgin is like, "No man, are you she want, man?" Two of them afraid of the woman. And look on her, she's a BBW. That stands for Big Beautiful Woman, right? A champion. Do they know what it is to get a son from a strong woman like that? Right? That's good. Now, Christopher Martin, that was entertainment. And a word of advice, next time, try an elephant man stunt. Alright? That will do the trick. Now, please remember to leave a comment, say your thing, and do please subscribe. Alright, if you want to keep up to date with what I have to say. My name is Skilla, and this has been the Skilla Entertainment.